Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm doing the opposite hand makeup challenge, or the wrong hand makeup challenge. Basically I'm going to be using my left hand to do my makeup. I'm actually right-handed and I am so bad at doing anything with my left hand. So this is definitely going to be a challenge and I actually have no idea how this is going to turn out. Probably not that well. So if you want to see how this goes and what goes terribly wrong, because it will, then make sure you carry on watching. So first up is foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match, which is one that I use all the time. And mine is Rose Ivory, which I think is the palest one they do. But I always put this on the back of my hand, and I've very nearly put that on the wrong hand then. I feel I'll just put it on my right hand rather than my left one. And we'll see how this goes. I hit my face a lot harder with this hand than I would normally, so I don't know if that's really going to help or not. I'm starting to get cramp in my finger. I'm not used to using this hand. It's definitely a lot harder to blend with your left hand, I think, because I'm so not used to using it for makeup that it just doesn't seem to want to blend into my skin as well as normal. But I don't think I've done that bad, to be honest. The hardest bit actually is getting like around your nose, because it just doesn't want, I can't seem to just get it right. Alright, concealer, I'm using Collection Lasting Perfection, which I always use. Oh, I nearly did it with my right hand then instead. Didn't quite go where I wanted it, but it's close enough. I'm really having to concentrate so much more than I would normally. It's just getting around my eyes that I seem to be struggling, around my nose and things. I don't know why that's so difficult. Okay, well that's gone pretty well, I think. On camera it definitely looks a lot better than it does in the mirror. I mean, the mirror's not brilliant. Oh, next for powder I'm using the Collection Sheer Loose Powder. Pretty much everything that I'm using is stuff that I use anyway and you've seen before. So that's like my base done. Next is eyeshadow. Oh my god, I'm dreading doing this. I know it's just going to go wrong. But I'm using the Cargo Cosmetics Bronze Palette, as it's just got everything in that I need. So we're going to start with the crease. I keep wanting to use my right hand. So the crease one is this one here. It's hard. This is so difficult to do. It literally just looks like an orange line across my eye. Yeah, you can see that. Oh. It's not blending out. Oh dear. Mistakes have been made. Well. For some reason I feel like I'm having to like tip my head forward to do this, and I don't know why. It's only my hand that's different, not the rest. Oh, it's just going everywhere. not going well. Right, that'll do. I'm not gonna get any better than that. I'm doing this nice a lot easier. How does that work? Well, they look about even. Not brilliant, but... Next I'm going to do the lid colour with this one here. It's like a more bronzy colour. And I'm going to pack that on with a flat brush. Not too much in one bit again. I feel like I'm going to poke myself in the eye doing this. I'm dreading doing the mascara. Oh god, it's going to go so wrong. And I'm going back in with the crease shade and just sort of blending them together. Well, attempting to as much as I can do with my left hand. That wasn't brilliant. Oh, I'm sorry if you can hear that. They're like digging up the road somewhere outside and I can't do anything about it. So I'm sorry if you can hear that sort of machine sound. I don't know what it is. For the outer corner I'm taking the darker one. Okay, I'm not going to take a lot of this because it's just going everywhere. Oh, look at that. Look, just terrible. I honestly don't think I'm going to get this any better than what it looks like right now. I don't think any amount of blending or anything can save it. It looks terrible. I'm going to take the crease shade again under my eyes. I'm going to take the lighter one now and just put it in the very corner of my eye. Just using my finger for that. Oh, finger, a lot easier to use than the brush. I wish I figured that out and I would have done it all. So that's sort of the eyeshadow done. This eye is so much worse than this one. Like, this one's not too bad. That one's just gone terrible. Mascara. Using the Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express. I've used this quite a few times actually and I do quite like it. How it's going to turn out doing it with my left hand? Probably not that well. With mascara as well, I always get it everywhere, like all over my eyelid. I don't know how I managed to do it, but I do. Can't really tell, but anyway. You know what, I'm just giving up on my eyes that is the best I'm going to get. You can't even tell I've got any mascara on, to be honest. I think because I couldn't get it right down to my roots of my lashes because I was so scared of getting it into my eye. So, we're going to leave it at that. For brows, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Focus and Fix palette, which I use all the time. But obviously this is just going to go wrong, isn't it? So I use the medium dark palette and I use the darker shade at the bottom. And I always use their little brush as well. I always find it really good. But with my left hand probably I won't. Oh no, this is already going to go wrong, I can tell. Now it's gone like a really straight line. Oh. Oh no. Okay, that looks so much better on camera than it does in person. Firstly, you can see all these little bits that just won't cover up. But on camera, it doesn't look too bad. No, I'll take that. For one anyway. You see how I'm holding? I'm just like, what even is my hand doing? This one's going so much worse. Like, this side of my face has been fine up till now. It really looks a lot better on camera than they do to me. Let's see, I have to leave that. For highlight and contour, I'm using the Rimmel Kate little palette. So I'm going to attempt to do contour first. So that's the middle one. I'm not very good at contour anyway, so this is just going to go wrong. It's just going to go one big massive blob. And it's going to have to blend with the other. I mean, I said I wasn't good at contour, I'm normally slightly better than that, but... This side's gone slightly better, again. Why is it so much easier to do my right side of my face with my left hand? Really odd. Wow, they're not even. But you know. Now I'm going to take the highlight shade, which is this top one. From what I remember, it's quite a subtle one. I mean, I don't think that's really a bad thing when I'm doing it with my wrong hand or my opposite hand. I don't like when people say the wrong hand, because it's not wrong to use your left hand if you're right-handed, or right hand if you're left-handed. So I definitely prefer saying the opposite hand. I think that's a lot nicer way of putting it. The problem with this highlighter, it doesn't really show up much on camera. It is there. Now, finally onto lips, and I'm really not looking forward to this. I'm using MAC Whirl Lip Liner. I can't remember, I'm sort of like supporting my left hand so I can actually do this. Okay, sort of overdraw my lip there slightly. You know what, that's not bad. With my left hand, I can't find my lid then. For lipstick, I'm taking NYX Full Throttle lipstick in 03. Don't think it has a name. Oh, Kiss the Dust. I really like this as well. So this is my makeup done using my left hand, which is my opposite hand from what I normally use, and I don't think I've actually done that bad. The eyeshadow and mascara are without a doubt the worst. They're so bad, especially this eye. It's gone terrible. I think I actually like my lips the best. They seem to have come out really well, even though I did slightly overline without meaning to, and it's not something I normally do anyway. It's just happened because I'm using my left hand. But yeah, I think everything else has actually come out okay. I'm quite surprised. It's not that bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to end up with like mascara like up here, eyebrows down here, you know, bit of everywhere. But no, everything seems okay apart from this eye, which I don't like whatsoever. If any of you do this challenge, I'd love to see what you do. I know quite a few people have done it before. It's not new or anything like that. But if you've done it, I'd love to see how yours turned out. And also, would you like me to do some more makeup challenges or just challenges in general or anything like that? Then I'd love to know, because I don't really know of that many good ones that haven't been like overdone as well. So I hope you like this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!